Have you ever wondered what lies behind the fascinating world of artificial intelligence? It's a mesmerizing fusion of innovation, logic, and boundless possibilities. AI is transforming industries and reshaping the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or a curious mind, AI's impact knows no boundaries. Unveiling an enigmatic realm where machines learn, reason, and make decisions, AI is shaping our future. Be prepared to embark on a captivating journey through the realms of AI, where the imaginable becomes a reality. Discover how this revolutionary technology is reshaping our lives, businesses, and the world we live in. Immerse yourself in the wonders of artificial intelligence and unlock a new era of limitless potential. Start exploring the transformative power of AI today. 125 words.